Hello guys, so I'm gonna tell you about my day, my activities. I'm not doing anything interesting today, but yeah, I just gonna tell you. So stay tuned. Actually, I feel too much overwhelmed, like tiring mentally today. I'm not doing anything like it's literally I'm just doing on my phone readings and yeah, not much to do except I'm sitting in front of my laptop since now, and it's my break time, so I'm standing because it hurts my body. I'm literally sitting since the afternoon for doing my assignment, and oh I'm going to edit my college assignment like a video. So yeah. Oh yeah, usually I doing my assignment while listening to music. Like yeah, many genre, many music. Also, I watch movie. I'm watching movie too. Like I'm doing my assignment and then while watching a movies. Yeah, it's a bit distracting, but for me it's fun. Usually I'm drinking coffee too. I mean, actually, I'm drinking it now, but it's already empty. So yeah, I'm not gonna show. I'm listening to this. Yep. Right now, I'm listening to "Party for You" by Charlie XCX. Not nothing much to do today, but yeah, so far so good. I'm just sitting in front of my laptop since this afternoon. I mean, no, since the morning. So yeah, that's my activities today. Not that interested, not that fun, but bye.